हाय एवरीवन, आई एम ईशान शर्मा। मुझसे ना ये एक क्वेश्चन बहुत सारे लोग कई बार पूछ चुके हैं एंड दैट इज, ईशान हाउ डू आई स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द क्राउड। इतनी सारी भीड़ है, सब लोग कोई ना कोई स्किल सीखते रहते हैं, कोडिंग सीख रहे हैं, ग्राफिक डिजाइन सीख रहे हैं, वीडियो एडिटिंग सीख रहे हैं। हाउ डू आई स्टैंड अपार्ट सो दैट आई बिकम द आउटलायर। तो ये एक चीज आपने भी सोची होगी कई बार कि इतने सारे लोग हैं, अगर सबके सभी वो सेम रिसोर्सेज यूज कर रहे हैं, सेम किताबें पढ़ रहे हैं, सेम अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, तो आप कैसे एक टॉप 1% में आ सकते हो। तो ये एक क्वेश्चन को हम लोग आज आंसर कर रहे होंगे। देयर आर बेसिकली 3 थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू दैट विल हेल्प यू स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द क्राउड, राइट? एंड दीज आर सम क्वालिटीज और सम स्किल्स दैट यू कैन डेवलप दैट विल हेल्प यू थ्रू आउट योर करियर। अब देखो, जब मैं बिट्स में आया था तो मेरे बैच में 800 लोग थे। आई स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम देम in my career because of the growth mindset that I had and that constant hunger to work as hard as possible। देखो आपको बताता हूँ, आज अभी देखो 12 बज रहे हैं, राइट? रात के 12 बज रहे हैं। आई एम शूटिंग अ वीडियो राइट नाउ, इसको एडिट करके एडिटर को भेजूंगा। आई एम कमिटेड टुवर्ड्स समथिंग। तो दिस इज व्हाट हेल्प मी स्टैंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम माय बैच इन कॉलेज। बट टॉकिंग अबाउट व्हाट कैन हेल्प यू, इट इज गोइंग टू बी नंबर 1, यू मस्ट बिकम एंटी फ्रेजाइल। नासिम तलेब एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग थिंकर हैं, फिलोसोफर हैं, एंड ही टॉक्स अबाउट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ एंटी फ्रेजिलिटी। उनकी किताब भी है ऑन एंटी फ्रेजाइल। सो द आइडिया इज दैट एंटी फ्रेजाइल आर things or objects who get better under stress. A great example of that is IIT JEE exam. Humans are massively anti-fragile if we decide to become so. आप जब IIT JEE की प्रिपरेशन करते हो तो it keeps you under hardships. आपको बहुत सारे questions solve करने होते हैं. You have to challenge your mind, challenge your perspective, challenge your thoughts, and as a result of that, you become a better person overall. So that's basically how it works, right? We also have a lot of quotes about diamonds and how when we apply pressure, we find the finest diamond. So the idea is you need to become anti-fragile. So when you go through storms in your life, hardships, struggles, things going south for you, and you learn from it, you get better. That is how you become anti-fragile. So this one trait is going to set you apart. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार मेरे घर में ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है, अब मैं आगे कैसे बढ़ूं? If you can weather that storm, find a जुगाड़ for yourself that works, and then go ahead, that will make you anti-fragile. So the first thing that you must do is to become anti-fragile. Number 2, you must get in the habit of deep focus. आज ना आप देखोगे आपके अराउंड बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो कि पूरे दिन रील्स में लगे रहते हैं, स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारे लोग हैं दैट आर वाचिंग माइंड नमिंग कंटेंट, एंड इफ इन दिस एनवायरनमेंट यू कैन क्रिएट अ डीप फोकस फॉर लॉन्ग पीरियड्स ऑफ टाइम थ्रू आउट योर डे, दैट विल हेल्प यू लर्न थिंग्स एक्सपोनेंशियली, राइट? इसका क्या मतलब है? आप एक किताब पढ़ सकते हो, इट इज कॉल्ड डीप वर्क बाय कार्ल न्यूपोर्ट, और इन जनरल यू can first of all set a place where you will be working, eliminate the distractions and create a tight bubble of total focus. That is what Robin Sharma also talks about in his kitab. That will ensure that you are working on one thing for a prolonged duration of time, and when you spend more time at something, you end up having new insights. You get into the state of flow, as Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi talks about in the book. So this is very important if you want to achieve anything big in a domain, be it graphic design, be it computer science. You know, there's always that curve that you need to go through. There are the average people, the mediocres, and then there are the exceptional video editors, graphic designers, software engineers, and these people have learned how to get in that state of flow, and that will only happen once you have eliminated all the distractions and you have created a direct focus on that one thing for a long period of time. अब ये सुनने में बहुत हार्ड लग रहा होगा, बट ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। अगर आप एक चीज फाइंड कर लो that you are really passionate about, then you can start putting more effort and more time into it, and आपको फील भी नहीं हो कि आप काम कर रहे हो। Like मैं भी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ आधी रात को बैठ करके, it doesn't feel like work to me. I'm just sharing my thoughts with people. So that is one thing that you should absolutely focus on, creating a deep focus for long periods of time. आखिरी टिप बताने से पहले, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अभी तक पसंद आ रही है तो मेक श्योर आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो, एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द थर्ड एंड द लास्ट टिप that will help you to stand apart from the crowd, and that is going to be the people that you know. Your network is going to build up your net worth. It's not about people that you know, it's about the people that know you. What you must do every single day is to try to connect to all of these people. A big reason that I am writing my book Unicorn Secret is because through this book, as a byproduct of writing this book, I am able to meet unicorn founders. Now these are people who have been in their industries for 5 to 10 years. They have been building this business and I get to talk to them and build a connection to them in person. I think that holds a lot of value. Now, how can you leverage this connection network that you have? Well, you can search for opportunities. If you know 10 different agencies who are in your niche, you can reach out to their founders saying that, hey, this is the skills that I have. It would be great if I can get to work at your company. If you have that connections, if you have that network of people that you can reach out to, you will be able to find better people to work with, better teams to brainstorm with. And in general, you would have a better career trajectory. Most people don't get access to all of the top opportunities because they don't network enough. आपका next question आप सोच रहे होगे कि how do I build this network, right? Very genuine question. Let me tell you how to do it. It's a very simple process. Number one, always make sure that you attend the meetups, the seminars or sessions or events that are happening in your city. This will make sure that you are meeting like-minded people, and the people who will be coming there would also be some big shots that are coming in as guests. So you talk to them, try to reach out to them, get their contact details, and try to have a one-on-one session with them. Number two, you should always try to send emails with a video proposal in which you can basically just say, hey XYZ, I see that you're working in this field. Here is a quick video that I have made for you because I know your time is precious, in which I lay down the work that I have done and how we can work together, or whatever ask you might have for that person. And that is going to help you out a lot. Also, अगर आप इस वीडियो का एंड तक देख रहे हो तो आपके लिए एक बोनस टिप भी है इफ यू वांट टू स्टैंड अपार्ट, एंड दैट इज फोकस ऑन एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड कनेक्शंस ओवर द मनी in the initial days of your career. अब मैं ये क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियो बनाई है in which I talk about how to make money, but I am now saying that you should focus on experiences and things that you can learn from people. If you can go to your industry and go to the top people, just reach out to that person and say that, hey, you are among the top people in this industry, be it tech, be it FMCG, be it finance. I want to work for you for 90 days for completely free. I will learn from you, I will be in all of your meetings, and if you see worth in me, then you hire me after that time. Until then, I just get to experience things with you. This will give you access to the connections and the network and the experiences that that other person is having. So that's basically what you can do. This is going to help you to stand apart. एक बहुत अच्छी किताब है called as The Third Door, in which the author talks about how he got access to the top people in industries like, you know, videography, cinematography, and variety of others, right? So you should check out that book as well. It's not that hard to stand apart from the crowd. You need to just stop doing what the majority does. अगर आप YouTube पे खोलोगे ना, without logging into your account, आप देखोगे कि YouTube के होम पेज पे वो वीडियोस हैं that are watched by the mediocrity, by the majority of audience in India. कौन सी वीडियो आती है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको आएगी बॉलीवुड की कोई आइटम नंबर वाली वीडियो आएगी, एंड सेकेंडली यू विल गेट सम क्रिकेट की कोई वीडियो, कोई शॉर्ट होगा छोटा सा, एंड देन यू विल गेट सम वीडियोस ऑफ तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, या फिर ऐसे ही कोई जो दूसरे टीवी शोज चल रहे हैं, बिग बॉस हो गया, कोई भी दूसरे हो गए, एंड दैट टेल्स यू द जनरल माइंडसेट ऑफ दिस कंट्री. लुक एट एवरीथिंग दैट दे डू and do exactly the opposite, and you will stand apart. But that is pretty much it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope this video helped you out a lot. That's all from me today. Share this video with a friend of yours, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next video. You can also follow me on Instagram at ishansharma790. I'll see you again.